Hey guys, welcome back to Gabe's Garage. I finally got my differential drop kit, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. There's a lot of benefits from doing that, especially if you lift to your truck. Mostly if you lift to your truck. I lifted my GX. It has about three point some inch lift, and one of the convenience of doing these or benefits is that when you lift the vehicle, those CV axles get a lot of angle, so one of the reasons why people do the differential drop is to help to have less angle on the CV axles. The less angle you have, the stronger the axle becomes, because once you get that bigger angle, it's kind of hard to explain, but once you get that bigger angle, it's more likely that the axle is have to put a lot of effort to spin that way. Also, your CV axle bellows or boots, like most people call it, they get broken because they are always rubbing in such angle. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna do this on the driveway. Just gonna go ahead and put the take the skid plate off, put the jack under the differential to support it, and take the two bolts that is holding the differential. It's very easy to do. It only take you like maybe 20 minutes, so very easy, straightforward, and it's a cheap modification. It only costs you like maybe $40, $60 to do it. So you get a lot of benefits from doing it, and so why not? Let's start. So there is four bolts holding the skid plate, and I believe they're 12 millimeters. So you got one this corner, on this corner. Then you move to the back, you have another two, one here, one here. Remove the skid plate and then move to the differential. So I'm gonna be using a 22. This is the two bolts that you have to take off. This one and this one, and you're just gonna support the differential with a jack to hold the weight. We're gonna drop it a little bit, remove the bolt, and put the spacers on, and put the new bolts where the washers and everything. So we're going to replace the bolt, the washer. You're gonna reuse the washer. It's gonna go this side. Put the bolt in. The spacer goes on top. We're gonna turn this to 80 foot-pounds. Okay, so this is the provided spacers with bolts for the skid plates. For some reason, they only gave me 3, and just so you know, the bolt that they provide you is a bit longer, because if not, I believe it's gonna touch the differential now that you drop it about 1 inch. So I just went to Ace Hardware and pick up another bolt and spacer just because I think you need 4. So a little recap: the spacer go in between the frame and the bracket. The little washers go on top of the bracket to give you the space so it won't hit the differential. And that's it, guys. Alright guys, so that's it. Pretty easy, like I say. Only thing I really have to do, because the kit that I bought, I guess it didn't come with it, these little washers for the skid plate, they don't come off of the bolt, and I didn't have washers in here, so I have to go back to Ace Hardware and get 4 washers to put them back on the skid plate. Like, it holds and everything, but I think it'll be a lot better with washers. So that's about it. So I hope this video helped you out, and yeah, I'll see you around.